Alright, today everybody, we're back with another video, and we're gonna make an action figure, okay? So, first you want a ball socket joint that looks like this. You wanna get this smooth connection, and you wanna be able to bend it and stuff. This is not like a good action figure. I don't have the legs, so I'll do a part 2 maybe. Of building the legs. The legs might be more complex, but I really do hope you enjoy. Oh, and also there's gonna be a me in the future, probably later today, doing this tutorial. So, right? Well, it's future me, and we're gonna do a tutorial. Okay. So, I think older me said you already gotta put these things together, and you gotta do it 2 times. Then, this is like the body thing, okay? It might look goofy right now, but you want to get one of these. You want to get one of these. 2 of them, actually. You want to put it on that. And you want to put it like that. You want to put it on like that. So it has like shoulders. It's kind of like the Lofty. It's kind of like Lofty Studios Lofty. And then you want to get a gold plate. You want to get a gold plate, and you want to attach it on just like that. Then you want to get the arms. You want to get the arms and attach them. I'll see you want to actually do that. Alright, we got it on. And you do want to put the gold plate there as well. Alright, and then for the arms, you put all these little attachments. Put all these little plates on there. Put all these gold plates. And yeah, you really just put them on him, and then you'll get like the frame of anything you want to build. If it's floating or if it has legs, and you can do anything with it. You can take off the arms. You can do whatever you want with it. And there's also this little piece gauntlet that you can put on to make him look cooler. But I don't really recommend it because it takes a little long to put on. And it takes a lot of forcing. But that is the half-complete Asaya mech. I'm calling this Asaya mech. The Asaya mech. You know how Lofty has his Lofty armor and Lofty mech, you know? This is the Asaya mech, okay? Okay. And then there's also this piece that you can build. Look, it's just like this little round plate right here. Then this slab thing, and then this big one. You can also put that on. Let me show you what it looks like on. Doesn't look the best, so I would rather keep it off. But if you do like it on, keep it on. I'm not forcing you to do anything. But I do hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Have a good day.